What's going on, guys? As you can see, this car is running. Finally, an update on this nightmare project. Thanks for hanging in there. Really appreciate you guys very much, and I hope this is going to be a great year for everyone. I'm going to show you the car right away, and we'll talk about some of the details afterwards and some of the plans that's coming up for the upcoming year. I have a lot of things going on, and it's going to be awesome. I love the sound of that cam. Hope you can hear me. Gotta get it, stay close to the camera. Walk around like this. We'll get a sound bite back here. Got rid of the cheese graters, I'm saving them. Got rid of the convertible trunk lid, that's a repop. Probably going to try to find an original one. Still got body work to do. Got the wheels painted, I'll have a video upcoming on that. Still got rust spot to deal with. If you've seen my video on the trim, the other side I got done, this side broke, and I'll be replacing this piece here. It's got a new top. So there we go. Did get a new spat for the front. The other was damaged, and a new skirt bottom ground effect. The other was warped. And this, I guess we'll start with the interior, which is not done. I did these seats myself. I've never done the seats. They came out excellent. That is the TMI upholstery. New foams, new springs. Still need to pull the dash, paint it. I'll do that when I get rid of that automatic pedal. Now, let's just get down to business here. I put lowering springs in it. You can see the still got a gap in the front. Not happy. The back set's great. Has Ebach G springs. Supposed to lower it an inch, and it didn't. I know the hood and stuff is not on, but I did put weight on it. Didn't make much difference. So, what do you guys think about cutting a coil off of them? But got the ultra clears in it. Way better than the other foggy lights. Yeah, you know I'm saving the engine for last, so I want you all to stay tuned. Let's go around the other side. The wheels came out great. If you got patina, been a lot of work, a lot of money. The body doesn't look much better, but we'll get it there. We'll definitely get it there, that's for sure. This side is the side I finished trim. but you can see the piece on the bottom, no crack on it, and the weather strip, which is why I was dealing with the trim anyway. Came out great. This is what we got going on here. A whole lot different. You guys know these aren't never done. Don't really like the air intake tube, but that will do for now. There's other things to spend on money now. But the wire tuck came out great. I'll have a video coming out on more of the wiring underneath that fender. As you can tell, battery in the trunk. The tower there, frame rail, had all that horrible rust in it. That's what kind of slowed me down, but came out great. And no coil, no anything. I don't think I've seen anyone use this coil bracket. If you guys want to see the video what's in the short block, I'll link it in the description. But on top, you know, got the SVE valve covers, the outer cover intake. The lower is ported and matched thanks to 606 Garage. Did a lot of work on it. It's beautiful. Have the EV6 injectors, stock tune. We got a stock computer with the 270 cam. It's running great, no issues yet. I'm sure there will be. Yay, here comes an airplane. I live next to an airport. All day long I deal with that crap. Anyway, she's got lots of patina, guys. This is a mass air off of a Thunderbird, thanks to Paul Fox, the rat tip. Rock Auto, 50 bucks. Anyway, let's go around here. So yeah, I'm definitely not too happy with the stance, that's for sure. We'll deal with that. I'll cut the springs or I'll get different ones. You can see where I painted and where I didn't. I like that patina. I may keep it and clear over it. The bad rust I had around here, that's just primer, grounded away just to make sure it's savable. And I'll deal with bodywork here next season after I do what I got to do over the winter. It's got 273 gears. The rear end is next. Hopefully 606 Garage is already on that for me. The X-pipe, no cats. Pipes, violator mufflers, everything is nice and level. One issue I had with it was this pipe was very close to the transmission pan. I got them evened out pretty good.
It now has the aluminum drive shaft built by Republic Diesel locally.
What's up? 606 Garage in the house.
Special delivery.
Woo! Look at that. That is beautiful, man.
New old stuff.
If you guys don't know us, Jason's got a channel, 606 Garage. It's got a lot going on. Mustangs. What is the street rod you're doing?
34 Ford.
34 Ford, so check him out if you aren't already. Awesome channel. Awesome guy right there, man. You getting some lovins? She's 8. Jasmine giving her lovins. Shelby's happy for visitors, that's for sure. Yeah, there you go, good girl. Tell her what you think. Yeah, it's a good girl.